Blue Elephant is a phenomenal machine. With how much volume we do here at Eastern Cladding, it is really nice to have a machine that cuts really fast and really precise. It makes it for our fabricators to have an easier time at producing the highest quality ACM for our customers, because that's what we strive on here at ECS. The Blue Elephant machine is a very fine piece of equipment, and I highly recommend it to any future customer out there. Their ability to help us communicate and set up the machine is top-notch level. The customer service is phenomenal. Their live rep that came over here to help set this up did it in a great and timely manner, and they're phenomenal to work with. I highly recommend Blue Elephant to any other ACM fabricator out there in the world.